All right, let's look up at the engine. To open up the engine on the hood, you push this button right here up in the cab. And here we are looking into the engine. If you look down here, you can see the radiator overflow. It has Caterpillar red radiator fluid in it, and that's the correct level. You want to go right here at that middle section. Down here at the bottom, you see this yellow button. That is the oil gauge right there. You pull that out. And then right here, you have the purple transmission gauge right here. And you need to have the engine running and the oil warm on level ground to check it properly. When you change the transmission oil, you also install the transmission oil back in the same portal. Now, this yellow one right here is where you put the motor oil. So don't get the two confused. You don't put the transmission oil in this, you put the motor oil in here. And to remind you, it has a little oil thing right there. So the yellow and yellow is for the oil, and this is the transmission where you put the oil in the transmission. Now the hydraulic tank is in a plastic container right next to it, right over here, and it has a gauge. The outriggers and the bucket has to be curled up, and the front loader bucket has to be on the ground flat to get an accurate measurement on the hydraulic oil in the tank. So if the needle is in the red to the right, that means you overfilled the tank, and if it's to the left in the red, that means you need some hydraulic oil. But right now it's perfect.